Hi everyone, we've got a video here, Nature of Australia, Portrait of the Island Continent, Part 1 VHS from 1901. Here's the front. Spine, catalogue number is 12675. And the back. Here's the tape. Note the label says 1990 the Australian Broadcasting Corporation, but it's actually a 901 tape. Anyways, we're going to watch the opening to it right now. Put it right there. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Welcome to the entertaining world of ABC Video. A world of exciting programs for you to enjoy and collect. From Australiana to Australian comedy, great sporting events to the great days of steam. A world of entertainment for you to collect now on ABC Video.
The mighty kangaroo. There's no animal like it in the world. So strange that the first Europeans were tempted to believe it arose from a separate creation.